Hey, halo, halo. Tes, tes. Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. How are you, halo?
doing good.
Good ya. Happy New Year. Uh, yeah. How did you spend your New Year Eve? Did you go anywhere for yesterday's?
I just kind of stayed in my house in the New Year's.
You stay at our house.
Yeah, I didn't go anywhere.
Also, just spending with your families at your
Yeah.
home. Oh, okay. Okay. So wait. We'll start our lesson today then, yeah.
Yep.
And today we'll continue about wait. Do you still remember what was the last material that we learned? What was it about? Yeah.
It's functions in JavaScript.
Yes. Yes. Wait. We already learned about function and events, yeah, in JavaScript. And today we'll continue our lesson, and it will be about the control structures. Um, what do you have in mind when we are talking about control structures?
All structures.
Yes, control structures. What is it? So actually, you already learned about it
Yeah.
in Python. Maybe you have any ideas about it?
I don't really know what control structures.
It's the operator is if and also else.
Oh,
So what are used for? What they are used for?
if is used for like uh if something equals to this or what, then the code will run that. And the else
Yeah,
is if it doesn't run that, it's gonna run the other one.
yeah, totally correct. When we're talking about control structures, it's like using if else, yeah, and it depends on the conditions. Yeah, whether it's the condition A, then it will run the A operations. Yeah. Okay. So yes, totally correct, and we'll learn and deep dive more to the control structures in JavaScript. So in JavaScript, when we're talking about control structures, it's like, wait, let me share my screen. Now, so when we're talking about control structures, it's like, yeah, the conditions. Yeah, if the condition is true, then it will run the if. Otherwise,
Yeah.
the else. Yeah. So the condition is true and false. It depends on like maybe can I tell you about a statement that I wear a red shirt. Is it true or false?
It's false.
Yeah, it's false. It's basically like that. Okay? So it's just like a basic logic for the human being. Yeah. So conditions, several use for this one is for the login page. Yeah. So it's inserting the password, whether it's uh, the correct password or incorrect. Okay. So if you compare the data types between Boolean and integers, yeah, it's the same thing. But in the Boolean, you only has two values, either true or false. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
so in JavaScript as well, you can create a logical expressions and can check the conditions. For example, like this. Correct. Correct pass equals given pass. So in this one, you already know, oh, the correct pass is the QWERTY 123. Given pass is triple Q. Yeah, if you check this one, is it equal? So if it's not equal, it will give you a false. Yeah, like that. Now, so it's similar with Python. Yeah, for the
Yeah,
conversion operators, nothing much different.
I think it's the same.
Yeah,
It
it's
is
the
the
same
same.
thing. Now, also for the equal sign, apa, for the logical and also logical or, yeah, it's different. Yeah, you're using ampersand, double ampersands, and double pipe for or. So, for example, you want to use the and operators, just put it double ampersands. Okay. Now, so you already know about the true and false conditions. The next one is if you want to make the next actions, whether the condition is true, then you put in the if operators. Yeah. So it's similar with the Python as well, but for the syntax, you need to use a curly brackets instead of double apa colon. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Now and then after you create the if operators, you can use else as well. Don't forget to open the curly brackets and close it again after you um, finish for the body of the else operators.
Is there
Have any
LF in
questions?
this?
Yeah.
Yeah, is there like an LF?
I think the next one we will learn about the else if.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
Okay. Oh no, there's no else if. It just directly to arrays and loops. Okay. I think it's supposed to be else if. I mean, the else if is exists. You can use that operators.
Okay.
Arrays and loops. So, what do you have in mind when we're talking about arrays and loops?
So while I think
The while, yes. And for the arrays,
I forgot what like arrays
yeah,
is.
yeah, it's about data structures. So maybe you heard about the list. Now,
Oh, the
list,
list.
yes, list in Python, called arrays in JavaScript. Okay, so you already know how to create several multiple products for this section of the website. It's really exhausting when you need to create it one by one. Nah,
So just
so
make a list.
yeah, you just create the list and also create the loops, and everything will be easier. Okay. Now, for example, you want to create a list, so it's like this, and then use the square brackets. Yeah. For the separators, you are using the comma for the list. You can also write the arrays
Right
like
there.
this.
It's the
It's
same.
more, yes, it's more common. So you already know as well directly what are only the values. Now, similar with Python, you can also select from its index. For example, you want to select the plate, that means the index is 0. Okay,
The to make it, you just need to put like more than one value and
what do
use
you say?
to make a list. You just need to have more than one value and a square bracket.
Yeah,
So,
you also can use only one values. Like for example, you want to have a plate only, yeah, it's possible.
oh, you just need a square bracket.
Yeah, just use the square brackets. So make the JavaScript recognize that code is a arrays.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, the next one is push. So push in Python is like a pen. Do you know what is a pen used for?
And
Yeah, it's adding to,
adding
yes, yeah,
onto the list.
into the list. So for
Oh,
example, you already have arrays items and you push new item or the stone, then it will add the stone at the last of index for that list. Splice, you can also create the delete. Yeah.
Yeah.
So for the first argument, we delete starting from this element from this index. So it's starting from
Start
this one. Sorry,
no the
0,
shuttle.
1, 2. Yeah, from the shuttle, and then you will delete two values. That means
The bottom one is one. So shuttle and Martian rover. Yes, really.
yes, yes, yeah. So for the shuttle and Martian rover. Now, for example, you want to create this one, 0 and 1, the splice, then the
Okay.
plate will remove.
Okay.
Now, query selector all. So the query selector all command returns all the element with the specified selector from the page as an array of DOM objects. You still remember what is a DOM?
DOM. I'm forgetting. I'm
Okay,
forgetting what.
so DOM is like an object. It's like an object from the OP in Python, but from the JavaScript DOM, it's like a tag HTML or which part that you are referring to for that HTML. It stands for, wait, kinda forget as well. Is it like the documentation object module? Oh, document object model. Yeah, so basically it's like referring. Yeah, referring the HTML tag from the JavaScript. Yeah.
The okay.
Oh no, wait. Now, for example, you want to create this one as well. Yeah. Nah, you can create nih. Instead of you are creating only one by one for the HTML, you can create it using loop. Yeah. Nah, so how to do that? You just create a one variables let items and then let item objects query selector all for the merge item name, and you can set it into the HTML tag. Yeah, so it's really simple. Now, so you can use a loop for doing that for the instructions and then the body loop. Okay. For example, you want to create the loop for this one for let I less than 21 and I plus equal 1. That means how many times this loop will run?
I well, 20.
Hmm?
Wait, it's like 20, right?
Yes, it's 20. Yeah, because it starts from 1 and less than 21.
Not less
Yeah.
than equal.
Yes, and only the step is only 1. That means it will run until 20 repetitions. Okay. So you can use this one. If you're going back to the previous one, yeah, you can create the loop to make 4 line of code into one. Yeah. Now you can also use length for specifying how many times the loop will run. That's all. Hello. Have any questions?
Wait, in length, use the length.
Hmm?
What do you mean to use the length? You just put a dot.
Yes. Just use the dot length, but make sure the object is an array.
Oh,
If
like
it's hmm?
the item underscore object supposed to be the items in the left because it's
uh
not an array.
no, item object it's the wait.
Is it supposed to be items or?
No, no, it's not supposed to be an item. Item object, it's already written in previous one. Item object, this one ya. Nih nih. Query selector all merge item nih.
Oh,
It's
the
the HTML tag.
okay.
Okay. Any other questions?
No,
No?
yeah,
Okay,
I
start.
think that's
Yeah. You can share your screen ya. Hello, and doing the exercise.
correct. Is this
Wait. For the number one, there are three correct answers ya. Um, Wait. This one is not. This one is correct. This one also is. No.
no?
Logical expressions. The values only two, either true or false.
Or
Yes.
not logic expressions? The both of them.
For this one, there are three correct answers as well. Hmm, this one is correct. Also correct. This one is not.
Bareback
Hey,
is.
wait. Yeah, yeah. It's correct. It's correct.
I thought the square brackets was the list.
Yeah.
They changed the JavaScript.
Yes. Change the JavaScript. Yeah.
Yes.
So you need to change. Mm. Yeah, that's already correct.
Is it?
This one.
Oh, which one?
Uh, for the line of line 6, you need to put the plus. Equal plus, not plus equal.
Oh, but this the red.
Just put it together. Equal and also plus. No. It's supposed to be like this. The syntax is still error.
Yeah, no. This I don't know the problem was.
This one. Button H input message is already correct. Click function. Oh, the function. I think the condition as well.
What?
It's supposed to be greater than equal.
This
See, for the first condition.
less than 16. Oh, under what? Why is it switched here?
Hmm?
In this one it says this is green and the other one's red.
I think this one as well. Too many brackets. Cool.
Huh. This so promo code.
Yes, you need to input the promo code.
The promo code
So that
no
means you only need to change line 6 until line 15.
line 6.
Mhm.
Good. Another bracket? Forgot.
The conditions, there are two conditions, yeah.
Installment more than 10, well, if price more than 10,000, and then use the this.
Yes.
Do I put in the bracket? I
Hmm?
put the bracket.
The bracket, what is that? The bracket is
Later.
this one.
This.
Yeah, the simple brackets.
This.
Hmm. Okay, so for the condition is already correct.
Yeah, I change the price. Well, wait, wait. Times.
10% discount. That means you need only pay how many percent? Yes, 90% only. Otherwise,
Else. Wait. Where's 20?
no, 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 no. For the if you're using the curly brackets as well.
Oh, yeah, this.
Hmm. And you put the body function. Yes. Delete it from the line 8. Line 8. Yeah, delete that.
Oh,
Before else, you need to delete it.
what?
You have two close brackets. That means,
Oh,
yeah.
that's what. If this price is the same.
Nah. So actually, you can use return for using the if. Yeah, that's already correct. Don't forget to put the return as well in the line 9.
Oh, and then expected.
Hmm. Oh, sorry. No, no, no. Wait. It's not only result field, yeah, but also this one. It's supposed to be like this. You need to set the HTML, the inner HTML, mm-mm, from the result field.
Why is it still no,
Yes.
it's not printing.
Hmm.
It doesn't print the
I think the plus as well from the line 18. It's supposed to be like previous one, equal and plus.
one.
There's no white space. For the line 18, delete the white space between equals and plus. Hmm. Hmm,
And
hmm, hmm. Hmm, what else? Yeah?
wait,
Promo
why it's not
borders. Yeah, see, can you see the HTML first?
a problem?
Pop btn dot bt. Yeah, it's already correct. Price, promo, btn, and result. No, I think the order is not a problem.
Right.
How about you put some indentation in there? Put some indentation. Still not working yet. No ideas. Can you copy it? Hello. I think there's nothing different in there. Can you copy from the chat zone? Yeah, I think
This one.
there's no difference, right?
Turn price. It's not much difference. Looking away.
Uh, there's no difference. Yeah, read the question first. Yeah, have you read the questions? So you only need to create the functions that can change the theme.
The
You don't
custom.
have to change anything that already written there. Just put a new one.
So, wait.
Yes.
Need to check the background.
Yeah. I think the function is already coded, right? You need only to change the line 21. You don't have to put it
21. Oh,
line 21. Yeah. So it's supposed to be like this, yeah?
no.
Let me show it to your screen. You already correct. Yeah. You need
Ah,
to check the value of the background.
of the URL. Okay.
Yes.
But
Hmm. Mm-mm.
It's supposed to be the opposite.
Just use the current background, isn't it? And there's apa? There's quotation mark.
What's
Hello.
on year?
No, no, no. Yeah, 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 yeah.
So where? Oh,
Mm-mm, in the between. Isn't it already written below that?
oh, it is.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hmm. The program works correctly.
oh,
Uh, 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 can you try to click the button? No, it isn't changing. Hmm. Oh wait, can you remove this one, the space?
oh,
Hmm. Hmm.
yeah.
What happened? Can you click this? It's already it's already the same. What
Mhm.
else? And it's changing, right?
No, I changed this because
Hmm?
in this I changed the code here because the one you copy pasted it was space background first.
Hmm. Hmm. Wait,
Why is it not?
yeah, let me fix it. Things, yeah. Okay. Try to refresh it. Uh,
This
okay, it's already open because I think it's already correct. I just opened it. Go to the number six, yeah. Actually, we can go back to the loops, so you can go back and then open number two, yeah. There are three correct answers. Yes, yes. Move it from above to the below. This one there are correct answers, and this one there are two correct answers. Yes, there are errors in there. Yes, to left. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, okay. So for the rest is errors.
where's the where's the problem
Which one?
on these ones? I don't know which one makes it error.
I think it's not an error. It's like different different output.
So it's not gonna
It's still
enter.
run. It's still running. Now for this one, if you notice, yeah, I think this one is already correct as well, but only different output. Okay. For the rest, you can continue. Yeah. Hello. And if you have any question, just ask me on the next sessions. Before we dismiss, do you have any question? Hello.
No, not really.
No questions, yeah. Okay. So if you don't have any question, we can dismiss our class today. You already learned about the control structures, yeah. And continue, you will learn about OP. Okay. So don't forget to join the next sessions. Bye, hello. Thank you.